Matterport. Fully immersive 3D environments that feel so real, it's like being there. When you power your business with interactive 3D media, the possibilities are endless. Step into a 3D space and start exploring somewhere new. For real estate agents and brokers, Matterport Spaces gives listing presentations a competitive edge, showing sellers how you will provide an always open house to create a connection with customers, engage more buyers, sell the property faster, and build buzz before the home is even shown. Matterport Spaces can be used for commercial real estate too. Fill units faster by qualifying prospective tenants before they walk through the door, or let businesses understand the setup of a potential office space. For rental properties, Matterport Spaces can be used over and over, drawing potential renters from near and far. But Matterport is more than real estate. It's simple to create spaces across multiple industries anytime you want to more fully engage your audience. Hotels and resorts can offer future guests a real feel for their accommodations, all from the comfort of their own home. Show off your amenities and delight your guests before they arrive. Turn your restaurant or retail store into a Matterport space to provide a preview of what customers can expect. Promote certain products with prominent shelf placement, or let your diners choose a table where they make their reservation. In architecture, engineering, and construction, Matterport Spaces allow you to streamline your workflow, engage stakeholders, and document every step of your project. Scan once and eliminate expensive return trips to collect forgotten information. Draw visitors to special exhibitions to show off your stunning architecture. Create a Matterport space for temporary installations so everyone can experience it even if they cannot travel there. Take immersive storytelling to the next level by including a Matterport space with every article. Drive more and longer views, boost engagement, and attract new audiences. No matter what industry you're in, with Matterport technology, we can enable deeply immersive virtual exploration that can be delivered to anyone, anywhere. It's quick and easy to get started. Contact us today for professional, quality, and complete 3D scanning services of any space you have in mind for any industry.